your choo-choo running? No crashes? Oh, he's going fast.
Uh-oh.
What'd he do? Stop?
Stop.
Choo-choo stop? Choo-choo stopped? Okay. Oh, here comes the choo-choo. Ooh. Choo-choo stopped. The engineer get off? Choo-choo's been on the track for almost a minute now. This is record time. Crash, choo-choo crash.
Oh, derailment.
Crash. Okay. How's that choo-choo doing there? Huh? There goes the choo-choo. Huh? What's that choo-choo doing? Choo-choo stopped.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, the engineer had to stop. Probably had to go potty. There we go. Woo, look at that choo-choo go. Choo-choo stopped again. Huh?
Come on.
Too, huh? Think that choo-choo go through the tunnel? There he comes. Whoa! Choo-choo, huh?
Uh-oh.
What did choo-choo do? Choo-choo stopped.
Uh-oh. Choo-choo. Uh-oh.
I mean, it does pick up sound, but we're not going to use the sound.
Danny, I can scream at my kid.
Yeah, you can scream at one.
Danny, don't put that there, okay? Drive it over there.
Bob?
Put it on there. That's for the train.
This is really not really unclear. Huh? Hey, Bob.
What?